I went home to get a card. I'm hoping that I can grab him with the camera, like if he's in there. Huh? He can get out. I mean,
Find that out anymore.
I can hear him. Hold it flat a little bit.
There he is.
Come on, buddy. I'm hoping he can grab it. I think he's on it. Come on, buddy. Yeah! It took off. Dang. Poor Pumper Society side quest. Do something positive today, baby. Save somebody. If I would have turned on this truck, he would have been fried, but I heard him. Poor little guy. Time to pump some tanks. See you guys.